It's a beautiful day in Nice, France airport, very busy. It's like almost back to the pre-COVID days. All the flights are full. So today, as you see, I have the red envelope. I upgraded myself from business to La Première, the first class of Air France. With my new friend Carolina at Nice airport today. And this is La Première. They walk you to the airplane, take care of you from your arrival. Magic.
Magic. Bonne journée.
Hello, hi, Captain. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Shui.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Welcome aboard.
Yeah, nice to see you. Pleasure. Thank you. Thank you, Caroline. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Every La Première passenger get an exclusive walk, escort to the airplane, and then the pilot will greet you before takeoff.
Un masque à oxygène tombera automatiquement.
Landed in Paris, 1 hour flight, very routine, nothing special. There's a snack served on this flight. I have to say the French snack are very good. Air France has really good French snack selection.
Thank you, bye-bye. See you next time.
How are you?
Yeah, good to see you.
Welcome
Okay.
to Paris. So let's go down. Take the car. I think it's not my first time with you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You saw me before?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe there's many guys look like me.
No, it was you. I'm sure about
Really?
that. Yeah.
Many said CDG is a complex airport, and maybe we're not French, we don't understand the French system. The best way is to fly La Première because you don't have to worry anything. They take care of you, take you to the lounge, take you to the plane to board, and this is the way to do it. And I hope every airline in first class should consider something like this on ground, not just on the plane.
Sure. Roissy Charles de Gaulle is one of the most complicated airports in the
Even
world.
you think it's complicated.
Oh yes.
Everybody thinks so.
It is.
I want to know, these days not many people fly first class. The traffic is down.
The traffic is
Or there's more because of COVID. They prefer the flights in the more safer, in more
exactly.
privacy.
That's it.
I cannot wait to start. Tell us where you're originally from.
From Tunisia.
Oh, from Tunisia.
My parents are from Tunisia.
I met a lot of Tunisian people. Very good at camera. Very, very good with talking. Yeah, very nice. Oh, hello, Captain. Wow, I love your uniform.
Yes, good.
Very traditional. Excellent.
Thanks.
Bonjour monsieur, bienvenue. Oh, my private dining room. This is really proper. Thank you so much. I actually have a mirror looking at myself here.
It's a mirror, but it's also a TV.
Oh, it's a TV as well. Wow. Let's turn the TV on and watch TV and eat.
For you, the buttermilk, the foie gras and the duck.
Oh, thank you.
Wait. It is a bœuf clicquot.
Ah.
La grande dame.
I didn't eat breakfast because I knew this is going to be a great meal in the lounge before I fly.
For you, sir, the elbow pasta with the black truffle and Comté cheese.
Elbow pasta with truffle. I love that uniform. So I was told by the staff this was the 1933 Air France uniform, inspired from the hotel, the hospitality, bartender, and from the boats. I think these French dishes are 3,000 calories. The calorie doesn't count when you travel and having fun.
Mr. Shui, I think you are here like at home, but here is the relaxation area, and if you need, here is the bathrooms and the toilets.
Now is the signature book for all the guests. I always come here to read it because that's all the feedback. I think in terms of the coziness, the French flair, the elegance, nothing come close to this. This is very luxury European. Thank you, thank you.
Have a nice
See you,
day.
Captain. See you.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you, thank you. See you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that time was very, very short.
Very short.
But you can tell I'm totally immersed. I feel very relaxed today. I'm wearing this French hat, trying to be a little bit like French. Terrible, right? I can't speak French. But this lounge, you can see so many awards. I'm not lying here. You know, you have to be here to feel it. It's so cozy. It's incredible. Thank you. There's a lady driving me. Not often there's a lady driving me to the plane. This is so appreciated. Love it. Sometimes when we have time, I remember last time they even gave me a tour. It's all the big planes dancing around. Look, 777. Wow. This is La Première. You get driven to the plane, last to board. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you all. Bonjour.
Thank you for everything, Mr. Shui. It
Zoe.
was a pleasure to have you with us today.
Love it.
I
So
hope
thank
you
you so
enjoy
much.
it. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again.
Merci
you.
beaucoup.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You are Airbus hat, and today we are on a Boeing flight. So maybe I can take you and
Yeah, my head's Airbus
and I
head,
write,
right?
Boeing on it.
The head says Airbus,
Airbus.
but we're on
No,
Boeing today.
Boeing today.
Oh, big mistake.
Yeah.
Thanks for telling me.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you. No more hats from now on.
No, I can put on overhead.
Okay, voila.
Merci.
This is the right side?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Champagne, nom des millénaires.
Millionaire champagne.
Yes, exactly.
Cheers.
Hi, my name is Mary. I'm the purser. I'm going to work in first class and business, and I'm very glad to offer you the menu and the wine list.
How many passengers do we have today?
Today there's one special guest in first class, is you, then 56 passengers in business, and then let me check to be sure because it's fully booked.
It's full
Yeah,
in business class.
yeah,
Wow.
business class is full. Then the premium economy 28 passengers and 206 in economy.
Putting down on the red handle. Do this only when you are outside the aircraft.
En cas de dépressurisation, un masque à oxygène sera automatiquement devant vous. Là, je vous souhaite un excellent vol.
On behalf of everyone at Air France, we wish you a very pleasant flight.
So I ordered some appetizer and I'm gonna have a rest, then dinner before landing. And lucky me, right? I have the whole cabin to myself. The reason is Air France La Première is not easy to fly with cheap fare, with upgrade or miles. Let me share with you the best secret to fly Air France La Première is to purchase a business class. Then an online check-in, if there are availabilities, you can purchase an upgrade. That will be the cheapest way to fly La Première, which today I did exactly that. I pay €1,000 extra from business class to first class.
the foie gras in a ravioli.
Oh, it's in the ravioli.
Yeah, exactly.
Different style.
Inside it's a foie gras. The Bordeaux, it's a Margaux, Chateau Margaux. And the continent-born Chateau.
Chateau, okay. It's a Bordeaux.
It's a Bordeaux.
Thank you. Very good. It's very good with the foie gras. Yeah, perfect match.
Do you like I close your curtain for you? Sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, private. Very
Yes,
nice.
private.
It's quite smart, right? It's not the door or panels. It's just a curtain. It's like your own little bubble here. And very smart. They use magnets to close the two-piece of curtain. It's so rich. The foie gras, the fat, it bursts in your mouth. Oh my gosh. I'm almost in tears. Even though this is a day flight, they provided pajamas for me to change. This is the Air France La Première design. French design. It makes me look a little bit slimmer, better.
This is here. And voila.
Wow. Beautiful. Thank you. Alright guys, come inside my bedroom suite. You know what I love about it? It's just the design. It's very comfortable, but on top of that, look at this red blanket and white plush quilt. I mean, just the design, everything blends in to create that first class experience. Very good evening. So we flew from day now to night. It's a beautiful cabin, isn't it? Now the whole mood has changed in the evening. I'm gonna have my dinner before landing.
And here it is.
It's good to see there are no COVID cutbacks in Air France La Première. The cabin is not flashy as gold or bling bling, but the understated luxury and design created that perfect French first-class experience. With good food and wine and an intimate ground service, in my opinion, this is still one of the most exclusive and greatest first-class product out there. This is the highlight of my France trip. This is the Air France La Première. Thank you so much. Au revoir. Thank you. Bye-bye.